Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing my May favorites and hated. So in this video, I'm going to share some products that I have been loving this past month and also a couple of products that didn't really work for me. So I am super excited to share these products with you guys in today's video. And also really quickly, I do want to mention that there is word going around that YouTube is going to be switching up some things to where whoever you're subscribed to, you're not going to be able to see their videos in order on your feed unless you are clicking the bell on their channel. So I don't usually say this in my videos, but make sure you guys, if you are subscribed and you want to see my videos and you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, make sure you're clicking that little bell right beside the subscribe button, because I would hate for you guys to miss out on anything that I upload. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly say that to you guys because I have heard so many rumors that YouTube is about to switch up a lot, and if you're subscribed to somebody, you're not really going to see their videos pop up unless you are clicking that bell right beside the subscribe button. So make sure you are subscribed if you do enjoy my videos and you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure you are clicking that little bell right beside the subscribe button. But yes, I just felt like I needed to mention that really quickly to you guys. But if you guys are interested in seeing my May favorites and hated, then let's go ahead and jump right in. So I'm gonna start out with some products that didn't really work for me for this past month. And when I say didn't really work for me, I mean products that I didn't really like. It just didn't, work well on my skin, and I didn't like how it looked. So we're gonna start out with a couple of skincare products, and one of them is a face wash. So actually both of these are gonna be kind of like face washes, but this one is by the brand Garnier, and this is actually one of their new products. This is the Skin Active Refreshing Facial Cleanser. So this is what it looks like, and I actually hauled this in one of my drugstore hauls recently, and I told you guys in that video that I was gonna give it a try this month and see if I like it. I haven't really came across any gel cleansers that didn't really thoroughly clean my face like this one, so I wasn't a huge fan. I did give it a couple of tries. I'm right here, as you guys can see. So I did give it a couple of tries, and I just wasn't a huge fan of it. So that was kind of like a for me, so that's that. All right, so this other product is another skincare product that I didn't really care for, and it is the new Neutrogena Lotion Cleanser. It's called the Hydro Boost Gentle Cleansing Lotion, and this is for sensitive skin. Now, I've tried this product out 2 different ways. On the back, it says you're supposed to apply it to your wet face and then gently massage it and then rinse it off. And that is what I did. And I've also applied this to my dry face. And I noticed when applying it dry, it works so much better than applying it wet. And like the gel cleansers, I have used quite a few cleansing lotions like the Pond's, which is bomb. That is probably one of the best cream cleansers that I have tried out that's affordable. But the thing I noticed about this cleansing lotion is I had to reapply more product on the face to get everything off, and I've never experienced doing that in the past with other products. Usually I would apply just like a pump or 2 on my hand, and then all the makeup is off by the time I rinse it off. But this one, I noticed I had to go in 2 or 3 times just to get everything off the face. I don't know what it is, but I did purchase these 2 at the same time, and I feel like these were not, it wasn't doing me any justice with as far as like cleansing the face. So I wasn't too much of a fan of these 2 products. All right, so some other products that didn't really work for me, and these are foundations. And I mentioned in my everyday makeup stash that I'm gonna be trying out the YSL Touche Eclat all-in-one glow foundation. So I have 2 shades that I've been trying out this month, and I do want to quickly mention that my friend Sophia sent these over to me to try out. She did receive these in PR, and the darker shades obviously didn't work for her, so she was so kind enough to let me try them out. But the shades I have is B70 and B80, and the shade that matched me perfectly was B70. So this is supposed to be a dewy foundation, but once it dried down, it looked pretty matte on the skin, and it was actually a little drying on the skin as well. So I wasn't a huge fan of this foundation, but what I noticed is when I mixed this in with my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, it was bomb.com. I love how the finish looked. It just looked so much better mixed with that foundation. I don't know, it was just weird that this is claimed to be a dewy foundation, but it wasn't dewy on my skin. I don't know. But the good thing is I will continue to use this foundation because I do like how it mixed in with my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. All right, so now that we have all of the products that I didn't really care for out of the way, let's go into my favorites. Now, this is a product that I actually recently just purchased, and I mentioned it in my Sephora haul. It was a recent Sephora haul video, and that is the Tata Harper Clarifying Cleanser. You guys, oh my God. This is a really good cleanser. If you don't mind spending a good penny on a cleanser that's going to really clean your face and make it feel so fresh and just cool and just so clean, then try this out. It just makes my skin feel so cooling, and in the morning time when I use this, I immediately wake up because of the smell. The smell is very, it's very minty, but it's a good minty. So if you don't like a strong minty scent, you may not like this, but this is so good to use in the morning times because it just wakes me up. This is probably one of my best skincare purchases besides my Kors, because you guys know I love my Kors products. But this it's up there with the Kors. And another thing about this product is it has a lot of natural ingredients. So if you guys are into those skincare products with, you know, all natural ingredients and just something that's good for your skin, then definitely try this out. I'm definitely enjoying this product, and I can honestly say I will definitely be repurchasing this once it's empty. So the moisturizer that I've been using all month is by the brand Saturday Skin. I think I've mentioned this in a favorites video in the past, I think, but I wanted to bring it back because this is a really nice moisturizer. I love to wear this under my makeup. Sometimes I wear it alone, like without, you know, on days when I don't have makeup on, but I really like how this wears under my makeup. And sometimes moisturizers, they can tend to look like greasy throughout the day, some of the moisturizers that I've used, but this one, as well as a few other ones, have been my top moisturizer to use under my makeup. And I just like how it's very lightweight for one. All you do is just pump it out like this. You just take it and pump it like that, and the product comes out. So I just wasted a lot of product, but we're just gonna close it up like that. All right, now we can talk about some makeup. And the first product I wanna talk about is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water. I've been using this since, I think, when was it? I think I did a full review on the new collection, and ever since then is when I've been using this. And I mentioned in that video that I was gonna try it out and let you guys know my thoughts on it, and I love it. I love using this before applying my foundation. This is a primer water, but you can use it, you know, after you get done applying all of your makeup. But I like to use it before the foundation because I feel like it just makes everything blend out so much better. In the past, I used to apply my Fix Plus before, you know, blending out all of my foundation, and I don't know why I stopped doing that, but I really like how this is making my foundation blend out. So I've been using the mess out of this stuff. I feel like I'm at least about right here because I've been using it like crazy. So I've been enjoying this very much all month long. And the setting powder that I have not put down, and surprisingly I have not even touched my Too Faced matte, what is it, the Peach Perfect Matte Setting Powder since I've been using this. This is the Marc Jacobs Finish Line Setting Powder. Oh my God. It's actually what I have on today. I have been using the mess out of this stuff, you guys. And what I love about the packaging, for one, is it does not get messy. There is like a little film on the inside, like right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me try to tilt it so you can see. Right there on the inside, there's like a little film. So it separates the powder, and you just dip your brush. So what I do is just dip my brush in it and then apply it. Like, it's not messy. It doesn't give you flashbacks, and I just like how this blends out. It makes everything look so airbrushed, so smooth. I love it. I love it. So this month I have been dipping into 3 different eyeshadow palettes, and those were the ones that I featured in my everyday makeup stash for May. And the ones I want to talk about are the Melt eyeshadows. Now, I picked out a few from the big palette that I had because I do store them in this huge palette that I did show in that video. But the ones that I have been using a lot this month are, these are from 2 different stacks. I have the shade Unseen. This is from the Dark Matter stack, and this is one that I have on my eyes right now. I use a very small amount of this though, because this is just that lighter shade in this area to just kind of blend into the darker shade. And the darker shade that I have on my eyes is, I keep putting my freaking finger in this stuff. But the darker shade that I have on my eyes, which is that darker shade right in here where it kind of, you know, fades right there in the outer corner, is in the shade Last Caress. And this is the one from the She's in Paradise stack. So this is what this one looks like. But these are literally some of the best matte shadows that I have tried. I've been using these all month long, like I said, and I've really been loving them. These are the 4 that I have been dipping into, if I can get it to act right. I don't know how they got it to where they, okay, there it goes. But these are the 4 that I have been dipping into all month long and just trying out. And if I can show them to you guys, but there they are right here. So I have like the plum and the purple shades, and then the light nude shades. These are some good everyday colors, but I love how these blend. They blend so easily and just look so nice and smooth on the eyes. And then I have these shadows from the Profusion Mixed Metals Peach palette. This is a good palette, you guys, and it's only $9.99. You can get it from Target. I did have a couple of people tell me that they seen a review where somebody said that they look muddy on the eyes throughout the day, but these, I have not experienced that at all. I love how they stay put on the eyes all day, for one, and I just like the quality of these shadows. Like, I was not expecting it to be so pigmented. I didn't expect it to blend so well. So I haven't had any complaints about this palette. I have used this in a recent tutorial, and it's actually what I had on in a couple of videos back. So been loving this. Bomb.com, check it out if you haven't already. So ever since I did a review on the new collection from Wet n Wild, I have been using the Dare to Soar blush ever since. And I know I didn't feature this in my everyday makeup stash for this month, but I kind of been dipping into this and just mixing it into the blush that I've been using all month, which is the blush by NARS. But this is so pretty on the skin. You can wear this and don't even have to wear a highlighter because it looks so gorgeous. Like, I love how it looks on my skin tone. It is so pretty. Look at that. Like, it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. It does have that nice little sheen to it, so I don't necessarily have to wear a highlighter with this because it does have that nice glow. But this is so pretty paired with other blushes if you don't want to wear it alone. So this is another, you know, another blush that I've been dipping into all month long, and I have really been loving. And speaking of the Wet n Wild collection, I do have 2 of the glosses that I did share in that video, and I have really been liking these. These are so pretty. I actually just used this one in a recent tutorial, and I love it. Love this color. I didn't think I would like an orange gloss on me, but this looks so pretty. And it's not too much. Like, I thought it would be too bright and just too much on the lips, but it's actually really pretty on the lips. So if you guys haven't seen that tutorial, I'll have the video down below for you guys to check out. But I love this color. This is in the shade Pout of Paradise. And then the other one I have is in the shade Featherless. And this is a good everyday shade. I love how it's not like super duper pigmented. It's very sheer. So this is really pretty paired with a brown lip liner, and I can just get away with wearing this, you know, like every day. And I also have another gloss that I have to tell you guys about. It's a little pricey, but it's bomb. So recently Kevin Aquan sent me a lot of product in the mail, and I have been using this gloss non-stop. It is so gorgeous. It's very similar to the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I'll swatch it right here. But it's very similar to the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, but it's a bronzy golden color. If you guys can see it, there it is right there. It's very sheer on the lips, so you can wear this alone. Or if you want to use it as a lip topper on top of your favorite lipstick or liquid lipstick, this will look absolutely gorgeous with it because it's one of those colors that you can pretty much pair with anything. And I really like how it smells. It smells so sweet and fruity. It just smells like a Starburst. Oh, it smells so good. Even though this is kind of like a shimmery gloss, it feels very smooth on the lips. Like, you don't feel any of that glitter You don't feel it at all. It's very smooth and it's not sticky on the lips, which is a plus. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned this is in the shade Sunlight, and it is gorgeous. And the very last thing I want to talk about are these lashes, and these are the ones that I have been wearing in pretty much all of my videos recently, and a lot of you asked me what lashes I'm wearing, and they are by the brand Bellamy. So the style that I wear is called Seeing Double, and I think they're like $11 or $12. I think they're pretty affordable for some like really good lashes. I've been wearing these over and over, like I reuse them and they still look good, and I like how they flare out. They're very fluttery, but these are the lashes that I have been rocking so much lately, and I just cannot put them down. I'm actually gonna go ahead and order some more because the lashes that I always wear, which are by Huda Beauty, they're the Samantha No. 7s. They're always sold out on Sephora and they're a little bit pricey. So I'm actually gonna start just wearing these more because they are, I feel like they are affordable. They're not like drugstore affordable, but they are some good lashes that you can reuse over and over and over, and they still look good. So yeah, again, these are by Bellamy in the style Seeing Double. So yes, that is all that I have for my May favorites and hate-its. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you tried out any of the products that I shared in this video, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like them or if you don't like them. You guys know I love to know your opinions on pretty much anything that I share on my channel. So let's go ahead and chit chat down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.